Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on US Highway 61 as we leave the city of Portageville, Missouri in New Madrid County. We're currently 34 miles from the Arkansas border via US-61, and for the next 25 miles and throughout this entire video, we'll be on a concurrency with Interstate 55. We enter Pemiscot County, which makes up the southeastern portion of the Missouri boot heel. The county was organized in 1851, and its name was taken from a local bayou, taken from a Native American word meaning liquid mud. Pemiscot County had a population of 15,661 as of the 2020 census. we enter the city of Hayti, which lies at two different highway junctions. Exit 19 connects to Missouri Route 84, with Hayti on the right and Carruthersville, the county seat, on the left. Hayti was platted in 1894 when the railroad was extended to that point, and a post office has been in operation since 1895. The name is either in honor of a Dr. G. Hayes, or it may be derived from the country of Haiti. Here at exit 17, we see a junction with US Highway 412, which has an exit on the right for the westbound portion of the highway and a left exit for US 412 East, as well as Interstate 155, a spur of I-55, which follows US 412 East through Carruthersville, across the Mississippi River into Tennessee, and terminating in the city of Dyersburg at a junction with US Highway 51. I-155 is the only road that directly connects Missouri and Tennessee, and was originally built to carry I-155 in the late 1970s. US 412 was commissioned in 1982, mostly following existing highways, and it runs from I-25 in Springer, New Mexico to I-65 in Columbia, Tennessee. At exit 8, we exit I-55 and US-61 will pick up a concurrency with Missouri Route 164. We'll end today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.